The construction industry is plagued with challenges like machinery breakdown, project delays, unpredictability, budget constraints, under- and overstocking. To overcome the challenges, choose Strategic ERP. We provide smart construction process automation at your fingertips. Purpose-built for builders, contractors, EPC and MEP organizations. Let us see how our artificial intelligence-powered integrated construction project management software streamlines businesses. Workflow management, BOQ, project planning, project budgeting, site execution, purchase and stores, DPR, billing and accounts. Workflow automation provides visibility by streamlining construction project processes. Manage BOQ items mapping, BOQ import, rate analysis, tender analysis by AI, and strategic negotiations with stakeholders. Manage construction project planning by creating WBS, scheduling and monitoring integration with third-party apps. Project budgeting helps control cost variations, predict overheads, set revenue targets, allocate resources, and boost margins. Site execution helps monitor site progress, rework versus schedule, daily labor report, abide by contractual terms, instant updates on project dashboards, generate GRN, SRN, GIN and custom reports. Purchase and stores can be managed by optimizing stock flow in line with demand, issuing materials, reconciling during billing, supplier-wise comparison through online, and generating PO reports. DPR and billing displays daily production rate, breakdown reports, logbook, manages quotations, work orders, bills for purchase, service, rent and GRN-based billing. Accounts helps define and maintain transaction reports, vouchers, tax compliance, bank reconciliation and job costing reports. Our power-packed cloud ERP centralized construction software is built with industry-specific features that include predictive maintenance, design management, interactive dashboard, construction forecasting, tenders and bids estimation. We are the perfect technology partner for you. Strategic ERP has developed customized solutions for more than 16 years for 700 companies in the construction, infrastructure, and real estate industry with more than 200,000 ERP users. We are proud to have a 98% successful implementation rate while being bestowed with more than 15 awards. Harnessing the power of ERP technology developed by IITians. To schedule a free demo, click on the link in the description box below.